Joash Nyamoko, mujumbe kwa North Mugirango constituency, na ndo mubyale bwe constituency. Lero rili tuko lyo mwelio nyuma president taraicha. To expect aicha mambia Monday. So any advanced team ya aicha kwa region, the region security team. Waicha kwa the preparedness. Akitu aliganiriangana asenga nchyo kumukaribisha president. President gagocha wichaga yachisa chia marogova. Chinsa sanane. Ache ko launch a project ya Kuwait. Ya nyolirwa miaka 13. And as a constituency, the Watangi School 24 when they go benefit from the program where initially the program is meant for North Mugirango na Borabu. But when we sat with the former leadership that go serve in those constituencies, we decided that then at the Atoshe Chibesechi and Bugitutu, and West Mugirango. Otherwise, initially the project is geared towards benefiting only those two constituencies. Because the project was mooted in 2008. Akero Umurayo Ngoro Wilfred Ombui, Wenge assistant minister, after the clashes. So the money was meant to do rehabilitation for schools between Nyanza na Rift Valley. That's how the project was designed. Because most of those schools were converted to IDP camps. School na Ikonge, school Chirevora Butira, na North Mugirango. So essentially that's why the president is coming. As a constituency at North Mugirango, we are getting about 700 million in form of aid, which will include equipping of the infrastructure of dormitory, laboratory. So we have about 700, I think, million were injected to the schools. And the total cost for that project is 2.4 billion. 2.4 billion. Chiko was spread across the county. So essentially that's why they are coming. There's a possibility and a very high possibility that the university nature is established in one of these corners. They serve the country. And it's just a few stages. Because when we had a discussion with the president, he said he wanted to see. That's why Mwara to walk around. Asayale stationed. Again, the university Nekilina Kiabonyo University Vans 2013. It's a long time. So it has been a dream for these people. Again, to make sure that it's done. Yeah, so the word 2013 Pakabono Musikori building a Professor Nsongo. Was the late governor of South Africa? That time, around 2015, 2016. So, and then to another site, where we have allocated land to Kisii University. Title. So, the mission for this constituency and the people who might say constituency, ya very Kurwania again take from 2013, 2017, Papa Wedena to Arule na Novolemo, as Secretary Kiamogak. Then we don't stop anyone. So it's not something which started yesterday. And the university in Kenya was Samatanga. Wando bawe karansa, wakuana, lakini when you know kuipe emotions, then is very unfortunate. So in we are just waiting so that we can go through the motions and Karena na Kiriko.